So inside the restaurant, there's a view of this rice fields. And this is how the restaurant looks like. So it's a buffet?
Yes.
How much is the
140,000.
140,000? So this is the hot tea and Balinese coffee, mixed fruits. This is the vegetable soup, corn soup, mixed salad, white rice, fried noodles, gado-gado, spring roll, omelette, chips, fried chicken, pork satay, pork soya, then salak and banana, fried banana, black rice, then mixed fruits. So this is the vegetable soup, the corn soup, the gado-gado, a mixture of veggies, the salad, the omelette, fried chicken, mee goreng, and fried rice. So first we'll try the vegetable soup. The soup is very clear, very light. The veggies are very soft. The vegetable soup is good. Now we'll try the corn soup. There are full corn kernels and some egg. It is also lightly flavored. Next we'll try the fried rice. Let's just with some vegetables. The rice is very chewy. It has a taste, but it's not that strong. It's just right. We'll try it with the mixed vegetables. Gado-gado. It has some tofu. The veggies are still crunchy. The tofu is soft. It's not oily.
Also orange. Yeah. I like orange.
It's a good combination with the fried rice. Next we'll try the fried chicken. It looks dry and oily. And we'll see. On the outside it's already dry, but inside it's still moist. It's just flavored with salt. But as I say, it's really oily. The chicken is just flavored with salt. It's still a little bit hot, so it's good. But really oily. let's try the fries. It's no longer hot. It's already soggy. Next we'll try the spring rolls. It was just refried for us because we wanted it to be crispy. Just has some veggies, but I think the wrapper is very thick. I'll add some sauce to see if it will improve the flavor. Try it. The spring roll is a little bit, the wrapper is very thick, but the sauce has improved the taste. The sauce is a little bit sweet. Next we'll try the mee goreng. The vegetables are still crunchy.
Just finish it.
It's not so strongly flavored. It's just right. Then we'll try this omelette. The omelette is a little bit dry already. You know, it's really dry now. It is savory. And there are spring onions in it. It's perfect paired with the omelette. We'll have some salad, or fresh veggies. This is cucumber with some mayonnaise. The cucumber is very fresh. It's very refreshing. So this is the dessert. This is black rice with shredded coconut and some syrup. And this is banana, fried banana, watermelon, and papaya. And this is salak. I don't know how it will taste, but we will try it. First, we'll try the black rice with shredded coconut and syrup. The black rice with the shredded coconut and syrup. There's some parts of the black rice that's soft, some parts that are a little bit harder. The shredded coconut is making it crunchy, and the syrup is the one giving the black rice the sweetness. Oh, it's a combination of textures. Next, we'll try the banana fritters with honey. I can see it's very oily. The banana itself is already a little bit sweet. Plus, I drizzled a little bit of honey, so it added some more sweetness to it. And still hot and crunchy up to now. Actually, I like banana fritters. That's why I took this one. I'll try the papaya. The papaya here is very orange, like carrots. Something very sweet. Next, I'll try the watermelon. It's also good, but maybe it's not as sweet as the papaya. because already my tongue was I tasted the papaya earlier, so it's sweeter than this one. But this is also good. We've been eyeing to try the watermelon here. Their watermelon is also good, but maybe the ones in the Philippines is a little bit more sweeter than this one. So we'll try the salad now, see what it is, how it looks, how it tastes. See the wrap is very thin. You know, it's like snake skin texture. And there's some hairs. I don't know. To me, it looks like a big onion. I don't know. I'm scared to try it also. Maybe I will not like the taste. But since we're in a foreign country, we'll try it. It's sour. The texture of singkamas, and there's also an aftertaste, like, you know, that at the end that sticks into your palate. It's really not that bad. It's just weird because this is my first time to try it. Yeah. It's just weird. So this is it for now. I hope you liked our video for today. If you liked our video, please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you will be updated whenever I will have a new upload. So until my next video, this has been Lorraine, reminding you that God loves you. Bye-bye!